Hey people, so there is this Pakistani show called Zindagi Gulzar Hai that is on Netflix, and it stars Fawad Khan uh, and a host of others. And what a show it is! Yeah, I mean, it's like it gives you an insight into life in in a middle class Pakistani home with like in terms of like as a woman you feel very you connect with the characters, it's about this young lady who gets married into a fairly well-to-do family and the kind of situation she sees then. So it's a long series, so I've just watched I've not watched too many episodes, but Zindagi Gulzar Hai is the very title has such depth in it, so try and catch it, people. It's on Netflix and it stars Fawad Khan, so it has to be, it is a good show, any movie that stars Fawad Khan has to be nice. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.